Welcome, ambitious entrepreneurs, to the dynamic world of AI-powered niche e-commerce. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey where ChatGPT becomes your trusted ally, helping you unlock profitable online ventures and paving the way to remarkable success. Step 1. Identify profitable niches. With the help of ChatGPT, you'll become a niche detective, sniffing out opportunities like a bloodhound in a treasure hunt. Prepare to unveil markets so exciting, they'll make your heart skip a beat. And remember, it's not just about finding the niche. It's about finding the niche that makes you shout, Eureka! Step 2. Find winning products. Let ChatGPT be your e-commerce genie, granting you the power to discover winning products that will make your competition green with envy. Get ready to brainstorm ideas like a mad scientist, validate them like a skeptical detective, and refine them like a master craftsman. Remember, success is just one brilliant idea away. Step 3. Optimize user experience. It's time to put your customer satisfaction cape on. Utilize AI-driven tools and platforms to enhance your e-commerce website's user experience. Implement AI chatbots that will wow your customers with lightning-fast responses and witty banter. It's like having a customer support sidekick that never takes a coffee break. Step 4. Implement targeted marketing strategies. Become the marketing maestro of your niche. With ChatGPT's guidance, you'll create marketing campaigns that make your target audience do double takes. From AI-powered social media targeting to mind-blowing collaborations with influencers, your brand will become the talk of the digital town. Step 5. Continuously adapt and innovate. In the ever-changing e-commerce universe, adaptability is your superpower. Stay ahead of the curve by harnessing ChatGPT's innovative ideas, optimizing your offerings, and unleashing your creative side like a fearless inventor. Remember, the only constant in the e-commerce world is change. Remember, my entrepreneurial superheroes, in the words of the legendary comic book creators, with great e-commerce power comes great profitability. Please like and subscribe for more AI-powered money-making ideas. Welcome, ambitious entrepreneurs, to the dynamic world of AI.